After 20 years and over 1,000 startup practices, I still get the question on a daily basis, what creates successful startup practices? What's that one thing that will help me be successful this year in my startup? And here's the answer. There isn't one element that's going to create a successful startup. If you don't have the right demographics, if you don't have the right real estate transaction, if you don't have the right systems to become profitable and a marketing strategy to drive patient growth from day one, you won't have a successful startup. You'll have a startup that just kind of happens. If you want to be truly successful, you need to have a plan, and all these things collectively have to work in order for you to launch successfully. I just had an awesome story for one of our clients. Her name is Dr. Alex. You're going to hear more about her story, but she just opened up about a month ago with a full schedule of patients, with a team that loves what they do, and she's serving her community at a great level. I just saw her grand opening, people all over the place, and she's hitting some financial milestones that will rival very successful established practice owners. If you want to learn more about these strategies, like Dr. Alex and other stories that we've created, join me live at our next Startup Practice Blueprint event, April 25th. It's going to be a full day immersive going through all 13 stages of our process to help you create and launch your successful startup practice. Go to startuppracticeblueprint.com. Seats are limited and register today.